It might look like a drill sent from Machine City to enter Zion.
Breach! The dock is breached!
But it's actually a manual nose hair trimmer by Cutthroat Club. And if you've never used one before, then this is the video for you. But before we can get into the right way to use it, let's talk about the wrong way to maintain nose hair. Tweezers. Don't use tweezers to pluck your nose hair. This can lead to irritation and even infection. Nose hair is important. It filters the air you breathe, traps dust, pollen, and other particles. It can also stop mucus from running out of your nose. Essentially, having nose hair is important, which is why we trim rather than remove completely. So to our nose hair trimmer, well, it doesn't matter if it's your first or 100th time, it's always important to make sure it's clean before use. Nothing too elaborate, just a quick rinse under some running tap water and you're good to go. Next, you want to make sure your nose is clean before you start. Blow, wipe, pick, however you do it, it's really up to you. And you'll want a clear view of what you're trimming. A shaving mirror is great, as you can easily adjust it to get the right angle with the best lighting. You'll notice on the trimmer there's a small screw. If you tighten or loosen it, it adjusts the speed with which you can turn the base. It's really important that you can turn the base quickly, otherwise it'll end up pulling your nose hair and cause you a lot of pain. Also, be careful not to put the trimmer too far up the back of the nose. You want to stick to the hairs closer to the front and the edges. Once you've finished, give it a quick rinse, dry it off, and then it's ready for your next time. And finally, just as an added note, you can use the nose hair trimmer to maintain your ear hair, just following the same methodology. And that's it. Simple to use, simple to maintain, simple to store.